Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are very good, doing well, cultivating yourself to shine. So, friends, today I am here with you to teach you one another new app how to use it in your education process. So, for teachers or students, or for anyone who is interested in making their presentation more innovative way to start it with a good start, we can use this in a better way. So, let's go and check what is there. So this app is also you can find in a Play Store app. Go to Play Store and just type Benime app. After installing this, I have already installed it. So go back to your screen and just open it. It looks like this. The symbol is like this. Open it. Once you have opened, your project and movies are there. So go to plus, okay, and give the name. So I'm giving it Go Green Be Safe. Go Green Be Safe. Start creating movie. I am using it for YouTube, so I am starting my movie. So create a movie. So yes, like this screen will come. So first they will ask you the question whether you want to save it. Just do yes here and it will be saved. Then go to down in the smiley option. So as it is for environment purpose, go green purpose, I'm using plants, and here you can set your duration of your plants. You can pause it when you want, which size you want, you can evaluate it. Okay, you can grow that size, you can smaller that size, like this you can use. So one is done. I will use some flowers. Okay, what happened to it? That only it came. Okay, let's separate it. I will go for some other thing. I will go for some birds. I will go for some more nice things. Caterpillar over here, I'll place it here. I will go for sun and the moon option is here. This brightful moon. So I have kept it like this. Okay, so I am not completing it, but I will show you how to do and you are going to use. So for each and every object that I am placing here, if you want to set some time and size, okay, you set some duration till how much pause you want for that particular thing, how much duration you want. So I have set here. Okay, till here I think everyone is clear. So we will go for the text. I want to give some text here. So go green. Okay, I will insert that and I will place it down, or if you want it up, you can place it here. Up, there are options in which color you want, which font you want. You can select that, how much big size you want. All this you can do it, and at what time you want the duration you can select here. After this, go to down in this paint option. So as I have selected go green, I will select green color. Okay, and if you want to pause it, the duration you want, go for that. After that, let's go for down. Here you can put music track or you can record it on your own. So I am recording it. Go green, go green. Controlling pollution is important for the survival of our planet, and even more importantly, the health and well-being of the people. The air we breathe is contaminated. We want plants around us. We want to make sure that we live in a safe and harmony and make our planet the better living planet around the world. So let's make it a green planet, stop pollution, and make all the creatures around us happy, free. Thank you. So after recording this, stop. Okay. Now go down. Use any of the thing that you like. I will use the peacock feather here. recording it. Go green, go green. Controlling pollution is important for the survival of our planet and even more importantly the health and well-being of the people. The air we breathe is contaminated. We want plants around us. We want to make sure that we live in a safe and harmony and make our planet the better living planet around the world. So let's make it a green planet, stop pollution and make all the creatures around us happy, free. Thank you. So like this you can make it, and this is the final output of this. So take care of yourself, and so after recording this, stop. Like this you have to stop, and this is the final output of that. So I hope this app is useful for you. Try it out with different varieties of subjects and make it your learning teaching process easier, simple and user friendly. Thank you so much. After that, here down attachment option is there. You can go here and make directly the movie. So for making that movie, see, it is taking some time. Rendering movie, it will take some time and it will finally give you its output. And then you can save it and send it to your students, or you can screen share the thing and then use it accordingly as you want. I hope this concept of how to make this innovative video is easier for you, and all the best everyone. Take care of yourself and goodbye.